Welcome to Bridgestone. On 1st March 1931, our founder, Shojiro Ishibashi, established Bridgestone. Our mission is to serve society with superior quality. Now, we have 180 manufacturing plants in all over the world. 79 of them are tire manufacturing plants. 19 are based in Asia-Pacific region and 2 of them are in India. One is in Indore and another in Chakan, Pune. Our plant is located at Chakan, Pune in the 190-acre area since 2013. We aspire to offer the best for our customers and to society. We are committed to not only a quality of product but also the safety of customers, employees and society. At Bridgestone, we make safety a business value. Creating a safe working place for all is everyone's responsibility, says our safety mission statement, and we thrive to abide by it. Our quality and environment mission statement follow the words of our founder, that is, serving society with superior quality. An employee's satisfaction reflects the quality of a product. Bridgestone is keen to provide a safe work environment to its employees. A safe work culture for employees is a priority of Bridgestone. Now, we would like to take you through our Safe Visitors Entry System procedure and precautions. Every visitor should collect the visitor's pass and ID card at the security gate by showing message received by the visitor. The security system sends the message to every visitor prior to visit. For a safe and happy visit, we request you to watch and follow further guidelines whilst you are on Bridgestone premises. Please be accompanied by the host all the time inside the factory. Please wear safety shoes whilst inside the plant. Please use a green pathway for walking inside the plant. Do not walk while talking over the phone. Please stand while talking over a call. And do not touch any machinery or enter into dangerous zone areas. Dangerous zone areas are marked with orange color. Any machinery with the given signages shouldn't be touched. Areas around hot jobs are covered with white sheets. Please do not intrude into such areas. Such jobs are conducted with prior approvals of concerned authorities. As Bridgestone has adopted a Japanese technique for safety, we have implemented the YOSH technique of communication to avoid on-site accidents. Every passer walking on a green pathway should stop on the stop sign of the pathway and should check towards the right side, left side, front side before passing for passage of forklift or material handling equipment.
YOSH, YOSH, YOSH.
We request you to implement and follow the YOSH technique inside the plant. Please give the way to forklift or material handling equipment. We would like to introduce you to a few signages and alarms every visitor should know. Fire alarm call point. In case of fire breakout, one should operate the fire alarm. Hooter flasher. Please remember this sound. This alarm suggests fire breakout or any other natural calamity on a factory premise. Manual alarm. We would like you to know the manual alarm as well. In case of any of these alarms, please reach the emergency assembly point. Use evacuation paths and emergency exits to reach the assembly point. Running adds up to chaos. Hence, it should be avoided while evacuation. This is how an evacuation sign looks like. It will guide you to the evacuation path. All exit doors are painted in red to grab the attention in case of emergency. Please use such exits for your safety. The nearest assembly point from the plant is raw material warehouse. We have total 3 assembly points in our premises. First, near to HO building. Second, near to raw material warehouse area. And third, near to training center. The assembly area is safer because it is not exposed to inflammable and electric devices or materials. We also have hydrant systems inside the plant in case of fire. Do not smoke or spit inside the factory premises. Also, photography and videography are strictly prohibited inside the plant. As we said at the beginning, that we are committed to the safety of customers, employees, and society. We also frequently conduct the training to our employees for a safe work environment for them as well as our visitors. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a safe visit